Natural skincare revolution. All about Hydrossential. Discover the power of Hydrossential, a breakthrough in natural skincare that revitalizes the skin's ability to self-moisturize, combating wrinkles, sagging, and promoting youthful radiance. About Hydrossential, a natural revolution. Our skin possesses an intrinsic capacity to moisturize itself. It's a phenomenon we often take for granted until external factors or products we use disrupt this balance. About Hydrossential, it's a game-changer in this scenario. This product harnesses the powers of nature, not just to moisturize but to rejuvenate the skin's ability to hydrate from within. Thus, it holds the key to radiant, youthful skin. Understanding skin's natural moisturizing ability. Our skin battles environmental stressors daily, like UV rays, pollutants, and toxins. Yet, it stays radiant and elastic, thanks to its natural moisturizing mechanism. It's an intricate process where cells retain water, essential fats, and nutrients, ensuring the skin remains hydrated. However, when this balance is disrupted, the repercussions manifest in dryness, wrinkles, and lifeless skin. How everyday hydrating products impact the skin. The hydrating creams and serums we slather on would be the day's heroes. Sadly, they often do more harm than good. Depending on external hydration sources, these products can make our skin's cells complacent. Consequently, skin cells become less adept at retaining water, leading to dehydration and visible aging signs. The rising concern: deep wrinkles and saggy skin. It's a cruel twist of fate. The products we use in hopes of youthful skin might accelerate our aging process. Over-reliance on these external hydration sources can lead to deep wrinkles, lifeless complexion, and saggy skin. It's high time we switch our focus to solutions that bolster our skin's innate abilities. Hydrossential. The power of nature. Hydrossential emerges as the beacon of hope amidst this dilemma. It's not just another moisturizing cream. It's a natural formula potent enough to jumpstart the skin's self-moisturizing mechanism. It ensures the skin retains and uses water effectively, resulting in a healthy and youthful complexion. Benefits of using Hydrossential. If flawless, glowy skin is what you're after, then Hydrossential might be your holy grail. This product promises comprehensive skin transformation, from clearing wrinkles, spots, and acne scars to offering a youthful, plump look. Comparing Hydrossential to other products. In the vast ocean of skincare products, what makes Hydrossential stand out? The answer lies in its natural formulation and ability to enhance the skin's self-rejuvenation process. While most products offer superficial hydration, Hydrossential ensures deep cellular hydration. The science behind Hydrossential. Behind every effective skincare product, there's robust science and research. Hydrossential is no exception. It's the culmination of years of research, user testimonials, and first-hand experiences. This segment delves deep into the formula and its proven efficacy. How to use Hydrossential for maximum benefits. While the product is phenomenal, the proper application technique can elevate its benefits. This section offers a guide on integrating Hydrossential into your skincare routine and ensuring you derive the maximum advantages. Embrace natural beauty with Hydrossential. In our quest for perfect skin, we often overlook the power of nature and the capabilities of our skin. Hydrossential bridges this gap, offering a natural solution that hydrates and revives the skin's innate self-moisturization ability. Here's to radiant, youthful skin that genuinely reflects the beauty within. Check the description to purchase Hydrossential from the official website.